Racing just is started with a scramble in front positions. Ordowar rushing up now at the outside is Salin Lahi. Ako ngayon, then comes Black Label. Sailing away comes next Symphony. Then followed by Jet Setter Slim, Euromax Supervised Grand Homer. Abateka comes next, then followed by Kalibato Kid. Asikuda, while Hurricane Ali is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Salin Lahi by about 4 lengths. Ako ngayon in second, a length further back in third comes Black Label, running by the release Sword Over. Then next online is Symphony. Sailing away comes next Jet Setter Slim, Grand Homer. Then next online is Euromax Supervised Hurricane Ali. Then next online is Kalibato Kid, Abateka, while Asikuda now racing in 14th. And at the far turn we have Salin Lahi maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Then here comes Sword Over together with Symphony now trying to get closer. Ako ngayon comes next Jet Setter Slim, Grand Homer. Moving up now on the outside is Hurricane Ali. As they swing for home, we have Salin Lahi, Sword Over, Symphony is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have Sword Over, Symphony is on the outside. Symphony moves up to take the lead. Sword Over drives back in second, and finally Symphony, Sword Over, Salin Lahi. Then comes number 8. Ako ngayon, Hurricane Ali and Abateka.